T20 test on one day. India, England, Australia.
हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू वर्ड ऑफ प्ले, जहां हम प्रीव्यू कर रहे हैं ऑल द टीम्स फ्रॉम द वर्ल्ड T20 कमिंग अप। और इस बार हम दो टीम्स को साथ में प्रीव्यू करेंगे। दोनों टीम्स बहुत ही बढ़िया परफॉर्मेंस किए बिफोर द सुपर 12 स्टार्टेड और they've qualified into Group B, which is a relatively easier group than Group A. We are talking about Scotland and Namibia. मेरे साथ हैं सुमन, विशाख और आकाश। सुमन, आपसे शुरू करते हैं। कितना आप इम्प्रेस हुए स्कॉटलैंड की परफॉर्मेंस से? स्कॉटलैंड ने बांग्लादेश को हराया और दो चार तो अपसेट कर ही सकते हैं बिकॉज इट्स अ T20 फॉर्मेट। they've got the experience of playing in the initial phases. क्या लग रहा है आपको?
Seeing these fresh nations coming and playing cricket at an international level is pretty pleasing to see, and I think these teams are quality teams as you're noticing from the results which are coming. And super happy that Scotland and Namibia both made it to the Super 12s. अगर देखा गया उनका fixtures, so they start with Afghanistan, who have a strong test experience and a pretty good white ball franchisee cricketers. Then they warm up with Namibia, and then they come to a biggie versus New Zealand, which I'm expecting New Zealand to win. But next comes India and Pakistan. Hopefully they have steam to face off with India and Pakistan, because those two can be so one-sided games, which probably will deflate them. But I think all in all, excited that Scotland is in Super 12s.
विशाख, इनके स्क्वाड के बारे में बताइए, कुछ प्लेयर्स टू वॉच आउट फॉर। मेरी तो नॉलेज स्पेशली स्कॉटलैंड नमीबिया की बहुत वीक है, तो आई एम रिलाइंग ऑन यू एंड विशाख एंड आकाश। तो बताइए।
So actually, if you look at this associate nations, right? Actually, their bowling has been pretty good. It's only their batting which has been letting down for most of these associate nations. So most of the bowlers here in Scotland, right? They play in county circuit in England. So they have good experience and they have the knowledge of how to bowl, and they have that kind of experience playing with the international players in the county circuit. So that is actually helping them. Someone like a Brad Wheel and all these players, they play for good county teams over there in county cricket. So that is actually helping them. But their batting is what is actually biting them. So I would say if the batting clicks, they might win one or two games. But I think these two teams are going to fight for the wooden spoon in this group.
आकाश, जैसा विशाख ने कहा कि this is first of all making it to Super 12, that in itself is a big win for them. 2019 का जो वर्ल्ड कप का सिर्फ 10 टीम्स थी अलाउड। स्कॉटलैंड बहुत ही नैरो मार्जिन से आई रिमेम्बर मिस आउट की थी, तो इनके लिए तो बहुत बड़ी बात है। 5-6 गेम इनके लिए इतने बड़े नेशंस के साथ खेलना, इतना बड़ा प्रोफाइल, एंड विद अ बिग ऑक्शन कमिंग अप, हु नोज कि आईपीएल में कोई क्वालिफाई कर जाए, दैट विल बी अमेजिंग। दैट्स व्हाट आई वांट, एटलीस्ट कि कोई एक दो धमाकेदार परफॉर्मेंस हो और कोई नए फ्रेंचाइज इंप्रेस हो जाए।
एक चीज कंफर्म्ड है, रिजल्ट्स का पता नहीं, बट आई थिंक there'll be one spark of a great innings or 100 for sure from these players, or a fifer or a hat trick. Some action will come from the associate nations. If the results come their way, great. Otherwise, there are sparks or flashes of brilliance we are going to see with these teams.
Absolutely. I mean, 2 साल पहले I think Kyle Coates ने कहा था कि the game time which they get with the senior nations, that was a very disappointing thing for them, that they're not getting enough game time with the bigger nations. And from there to having made it to the top 12 right now in this particular World Cup is a big achievement for teams like Scotland and Namibia. And I would definitely like to see at least one upset from either of these teams, beat a big team. I mean, make history, guys. I mean, this is your only opportunity. You don't know 2 years down the line how again the qualifiers is going to pan out, if your same players will be there or not. All these guys are almost in the late 30s, so you might not even see the guys like Kyle Coates and others. So I'm hoping that at least we'll get one upset. As far as players go, I think Scotland has Chris Greaves. He's an exciting leg spinner. Watch out for him. He's a handy bat as well. From Namibia, I would be watching out JJ Smith. He's a very good handy left arm seamer and a good bat in the middle order as well. I think these two players are the watch out players for them.
How do you know? इनको इतना जानकारी है नमीबिया प्लेयर्स के बारे में. I mean, impressed with the kind of knowledge you guys have about these nations, right?
हाँ, नमीबिया की जैसे आपने बात की आकाश, ये स्क्वाड है इनका. सुमन, can they get anything more than what they've already got in this World T20 Cup? Because आयरलैंड को हराना बहुत बड़ी बात थी मेरे हिसाब से, बिकॉज आयरलैंड टेस्ट स्टेटस है उनके पास. आयरलैंड नहीं, दैट्स द ओनली टीम व्हिच हैज गॉट अ टेस्ट स्टेटस एंड नॉट मेड इट टू द सुपर 12. तो उनके लिए बहुत डिसअपॉइंटिंग होगा. बट नमीबिया, हैट्स ऑफ टू देम, बहुत अच्छा खेला इन्होंने.
बहुत ही बढ़िया परफॉर्मेंस है, एंड आई थिंक दे हैव स्पेस फॉर वन मोर हुरा, and their chance will be either versus Scotland or Afghanistan. Those are the two games which they will have potential to at least think of a win. The other three games, unless teams show up and play really badly, it's ruled out. But I think impressive journey so far for Super 12s. And like Akash said, these guys will also think that who knows, next World Cup will we be there or no. So they'll give it their 100%, and I think they have space for one upset.
विशाख, इस टीम में डेविड वीजा है और साउथ अफ्रीका के लेफ्ट आर्म बॉलर भी हैं. और कोई इंटरेस्टिंग होम ग्रोन टैलेंट, एनीवन यू कैन थिंक ऑफ हु मे इम्प्रेस?
I think Gerard Williams, their captain, and David Weiss. These are the two main players who have been taking through Namibia in the two games they won. I think they are over-dependent on these two players in the batting order. If you look at the strategy, it's like have a slow start, and then Gerard Erasmus will bat through, and David Weiss will come and finish the game. This has been their strategy, and I think this might backfire for them coming into this, because they're going to play much stronger teams, and they would have already figured out what they're going through. And David Weiss is he has only played two crucial innings against weaker oppositions, but even when he played for South Africa, he was not so successful player. He was found out against very good oppositions. So it would be very crucial like how he would perform. And I think if he gets going in one or two games, I think they could upset one or two teams, but I feel they would be ending up with a wooden spoon here actually, because they are heavily dependent on one or two players.
डेविड वीजा XRCB है, आई एम श्योर वो अच्छा ही खेलेंगे. आकाश,
I think two players which actually helped them come till here, who actually lack mention out here, is Craig Williams and Bernard Scholz. Craig Williams has had an average of around 40 plus in the last 15 T20s. That is an extremely good record, even though if it is against the associate nations for that matter. And Scholz has been very economical, and in these pitches, I think that was a turning spell against Ireland, because Ireland was playing in Abu Dhabi, and their seamers were getting the help. Whereas in the last match against Namibia in the Sharjah match, it was the spinners of Namibia who stifled Ireland for that matter. So I think Scholz's performance and Craig Williams' performance will be crucial for them if they have to get an upset in this particular group.
ये सब एक्सपेक्टेशन की बात है. जैसे एज एन इंडियन फैन, मेरे लिए इंडिया अगर कप नहीं जीती है तो दैट इज अ लॉस. बेसिकली दैट्स अ लॉस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी. इन लोगों के लिए यू ओनली हैड टू लुक एट हाउ नामीबिया सेलिब्रेटेड व्हेन दे क्वालिफाइड. दिस इज एज गुड एज विनिंग अ कप फ्रॉम देम. सो इस यहाँ से सब उनके लिए गेन ही है. जितना भी आप इस टूर्नामेंट से ले लें, एक्सपीरियंस, सम अपसेट, पीपल विल रिमेंबर देम फॉर इयर्स एंड इयर्स. तो इट विल बी एक्साइटिंग, great opportunity for them. Yes, Vishal.
Definitely, because everybody, I think if you look at the group, right, everybody would have expected Ireland to go through. Nobody would have expected Namibia to beat Ireland and go through. Even in the last game, we were me and Akash were speaking, and I was telling Ireland will come into our group. So I was confident that Ireland would definitely beat Namibia, but beating Ireland and coming into the Super 12 itself is a big thing for them. Now, as Akash mentioned, this is their big chance. Beat one of, at least out of the top 4, I'm including Afghanistan here as well. So if they beat even one of those teams, it will be a big achievement for them.
Proper upset यही होगा, because Group A में upset का कोई chance नहीं है, because every team is a good team. So there is no surprises. अगर beyond Namibia and Scotland के मैच में कोई भी मैच ये टीम्स जीतती हैं, तो that will be an upset and be great for the tournament. It may not mean anything from a top 2 perspective, but it'll be great for them, great for the tournament, and that's what we want: exciting cricket and upsets. And there'll be lots to look forward to in the next month. Suman, Vishak, and Akash, thank you very much. We've gone through all the teams. And for our viewers, again, if you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to our channel. There are lots of contents we'll be bringing up during the course of the World Cup. So please do stay with us. Join us for our previews, reviews, and fantasy sections. And we'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for your time. Thanks, guys.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Sanjay.
guys.
Thanks, everyone. Stay safe.